In this video, I will show you a comparison between the chargers from IKEA for the AA and AAA batteries, the Lada batteries, and you have the Tsjugo, this is the first one, and that's $15.99, and then you have also the Litosfar charger, that is also $15.99. That's very interesting, they set it at the same price, and I tell you from the beginning, this is my favorite one, the Litosfar from IKEA. It's really the best charger for the price also, and you can have storage for batteries. It's always a problem with these rechargeable batteries on where to put them. I usually have them in a plastic box, but this one it has storage. It also has individual charging circuits and lights, indicator lights. If you have a bad battery, the light will turn red here, so you can try to replace it, or you can simply move it to another slot and try again to charge the battery. Wherever you put a battery, it will work, and it works with AA batteries, the bigger size, and the smaller size AAA. This shape is a basic charging cord, so that type of power cable is going to be everywhere. You will find it easily. The Tsjugo charger here, it's similar, and it's interesting. It has the same price. It also has the same type of connector, so this plug is good. It has the angled connector, so that's nice. That's better, I believe. It also has this kind of a book shape. It looks nicer for like if you're in your home, you can look at it. It's more pleasing to look at. But the charging power is less on this one. It's a little bit less, so the charging will be a little bit slower on this. They both charge 8 batteries at once maximum, not more than 8 AA or 8 AAA or any mix between them. That flap kind of closes on its own all the time, and the biggest problem with this one is that you only have one LED light. If you have a bad battery in this, you will not really know. Like here, I have one of these batteries is bad. It's the last one I plugged in because it shows red there. But if you plug them in and you don't check, then you might have to remove them one by one because you don't know which is the bad battery. I'm not sure, maybe this one is also good, maybe this one is better than the other one, but I prefer the other one with the individual light for each battery. And also this might have individual charging circuit, and it could be doing this only to make it simple for me, but I prefer this style where it's one light for each battery, and I know exactly when this battery is charging. And you will see at some point, if you have a bad battery, you will see a red light instead of the white light. And I didn't seek around too much to see, but most likely when the batteries are charged, when they're finished, the light will turn off or it will stay on. That's how it works. And for this one, this is how I try to find which is the bad battery. I removed them one by one, and now this one was the bad one. Yeah, that's the Tsjugo charger. And this Litosfar charger is much simpler. There is also a cheaper option, cheaper than both of them, so you have $15.99 for both of the chargers, but there is also the version of $4.99, only €5. It's 3 times cheaper than that, and this might be the best charger from IKEA because it is cheap. You see here you have the red light blinking. If you don't care about not have too many problems with the batteries, this is really the best option. The only problem might be that with the other chargers you can charge 8 batteries at the same time, but with this one you can only charge up to 4 batteries. So if you use a lot of these batteries, it's really better to get the Litosfar, I believe, not the Tsjugo, really not that one. But if you don't use these batteries too much, or if you just want to try to see how they are, you can use this Stenkol battery charger. You can combine them. So if you have more batteries, you can buy the Litosfar later and the Stenkol, and you can use them both at the same time. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.